Hello everyone, welcome back to Emerson Creations. Today I'm very excited to show you guys the process of designing and creating a custom DTF print t-shirt. So let's go. So I use Procreate for this design. Once the design is ready, I make sure to clean up the edges and remove the background. And the design is ready now. So here's a sticker and a t-shirt. So this sticker is ready to be transferred on the fabric. And for the temperature, keep it as 285. And if you want to change it, press it here. Go up, down to change the temperature. And for the timer, keep it as 30 seconds. Before applying the DTF sticker, it is important to pre-press the t-shirt to remove any moisture. This step ensures the fabric is completely dry, which helps the design to stick better during the transfer. It's time to place the DTF sticker. I always take a moment to make sure the design is placed exactly where I want it before pressing. Now I press the t-shirt for about 30 seconds. This ensures that the design bonds properly with the fabric, creating a long-lasting print. After pressing, I let it cool down for a few seconds before peeling off the transfer sheet to reveal the final design. Now that the transfer sheet is off, the design looks great, but to make sure it's fully set into the fabric, I'll press it one more time. This step helps the design last longer, even after multiple washes. And that's it. The design is now fully applied and ready to wear. As you can see, the print stretches along with the fabric while keeping its quality intact. This makes it perfect for everyday wear, maintaining both comfort and durability. Here's the final look. The design feels great on fabric, and as you can see, it fits perfectly.
Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comment what you'd like to see next. And until then, keep creating. See you in the next one. Bye.